Hi everyone, it's Jordan here from Citywide Mortgage Services, your personal mortgage planner. Here are the top 5 things that are on my mortgage radar this week that I want you to know about. With the outlook for the economic growth improving, there's been some movement in the bond market. There's been an upward pressure on interest rates, so we are expecting a potential bump in fixed interest rates in the not too distant future. What does this mean for you? Well, if you are very rate sensitive and you are in the market to buy a home, better to get your pre-approval now, get that rate hold in so you're protected for the next 120 days. The RRSP deadline contribution is coming up March 1st, but due to financial instability with COVID, the way that people are investing and saving their money has been changing. So best to talk to your financial planner about whether or not investing in your RRSP this season is the right thing to do for you. Don't fit into the bank box. Maybe you are business for self. Maybe you have poor credit. Maybe you need extended debt ratios. You're looking at consolidating your debt. Do not bypass alternative lending. I know it's a little bit scary out there, but guess what? We see low rates on the A side. We're definitely seeing very competitive low rates in the alternative space as well. It is a great short-term option. So if you want to learn more about alternative lending and how it can help you, give me a call. There is a new player in the reverse mortgage market. Last week, I did some common misconceptions and myths regarding reverse mortgages and why they've got such a bad rap. Well, we've got a new company out called Fraction, and they say they are the fairest way to access your home equity with no monthly payments, no unfair interest rates, tax-free money, whether it's for retirement, investing, tackling debt, whatever. But as is always the case, make sure that it's the right lending for you. You want to speak to a mortgage professional about that. So I'm going to be keeping my eye on Fraction. And finally, HELOC versus mortgage. So often I ask people if they already have a mortgage on their home, say they're coming for a refinance, and they say no. When it turns out that they actually have a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. You get the mortgage when you purchase the home. You can get the HELOC after you've built up some equity in the home. It is registered against the title of your home, just like a mortgage is. It uses your home as collateral to secure its debt. Therefore, if you have a HELOC on your home, it is not free and clear. And tip for today, if you are getting a HELOC on your home, qualification process is exactly the same in terms of income and so forth. So just do be aware of that so you know what to expect. If you have any more questions about getting a mortgage, getting a HELOC, alternative lending, rates, what you can expect, I'm always here to help. Have a fantastic long weekend. Happy Lunar New Year, and hugs to everyone out there for Valentine's Day. Wishing you well, and I'll see you here next week.